filled with warmth and luxury. This picture-perfect home provides a floor plan that enables relaxed, easy living as well as gracious entertaining. The first floor master suite offers a spacious walk-in closet, a bath/walk-in shower and access to the sweeping, full-length back porch. Radiant heated travertine marble flooring runs throughout the first level, making for warm and cozy winters. The gourmet kitchen is a true cook-esque delight with a 6-burner gas cooktop, double ovens, icemaker, a large island stainless steel top, a large refrigerator, a pot rack and walk-in pantry. An attached first-floor guest suite is just off the breakfast area and provides a living area, separate kitchen and a bedroom. A wonderful area for nannies, teens, parents, etc. The second floor includes 2 incredible bedroom suites /attached baths and walk-in showers connected by loft now used as an office. Only 10 minutes